Tired of digging through Salesforce menus trying to find Einstein? Here's exactly how to enable it in 4 clicks. I'll show you the quickest path, from quick settings to advanced setup, then search and toggle. Let's go. All right, so you're in your Salesforce org, and you've heard all about Einstein, the AI features that can help you automate tasks, get smarter insights, and generally make your life as an admin way easier. But actually finding where to turn it on? That can be a real headache. I've been through this myself, and I've tested this exact process to make sure it works. So let's walk through it together. First thing you'll see is that gear icon in the top right corner of your Salesforce home screen. That's your quick settings menu. It might look like just a tiny gear, but it's your gateway to almost every admin function in Salesforce. Go ahead and click that. This is the same spot you'd go to access any setup option, so it's good to remember. So now that we've got that menu open, you're going to see a list of options. Look for the one that says Open Advanced Setup and click it. This is the full setup area where all the deep configuration lives. It might take a second to load, especially if you're on a slower connection, but that's totally normal. Just give it a moment. All right, now we're in the main setup page. This can be a little overwhelming because there's a lot going on here. But here's the trick. Don't try to navigate through the menus manually. Instead, look for the search bar at the top of the left-hand sidebar. Type the word Einstein into that search bar. Just the word, all lowercase, is fine. As you type, you'll see the menu below start to filter down automatically. This search functionality is a huge time saver, and I use it all the time to jump straight to whatever I need without clicking through endless menus. Now, pay attention to this one. As the search results populate, you're going to see several options with Einstein in the name. What you want is the one that simply says Einstein Setup. It should be near the top of the list. Click on that. If you accidentally click something else, don't worry. Just go back and try again. It happens. So now you're on the Einstein Setup page. This is where the magic happens. Scroll down a little bit until you see the section that says Turn on Einstein. It's usually pretty clearly labeled, but sometimes it can blend in with everything else on the page. Take your time and look for it. And here's the really important part. Once you find it, you're going to see a toggle switch next to it. That toggle is currently set to off. Go ahead and flip that switch to on. A confirmation pop-up might appear asking if you're sure. Just click Turn On or Confirm to proceed. This is the big moment. Right after you toggle it on, you should see a brief loading spinner as Salesforce processes the change. Just wait a few seconds. Then you'll see a green success banner appear at the top of the page saying something like Einstein has been enabled. That's your confirmation that it worked. But let's do one more thing to make sure. Scroll back up to the top of the setup page, or use the search bar again and type Einstein. Click on Einstein Setup, just like before. When the page loads, that toggle switch should now show as green or in the on position. That's your final verification. Einstein is now live in your org. And just like that, you're done. You went from aimlessly digging through Salesforce settings to enabling Einstein in under 5 minutes. In my experience, having that AI layer active can really change how you approach your daily workflows. So go ahead and explore what Einstein can do for you now that it's turned on. Thanks for following along, and I'll catch you in the next one.